Wabarakatuh. So today I'll be presenting our research topic. This is titled for EREKA 2024, and the title is Pharmacognostic Evaluation of Durian Husk as Natural Therapeutic Agent. For our research background, the husks of durian are often referred as agricultural leftovers, and the husks in traditional medicines have shown the ability to remove heat, extinguish fire, nourishing, and moisturize dryness. The bioactive compound found in durians has contributed to multiple therapeutic activities, and there are few studies shows that the durian has the ability to possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory actions, able to regulate glucose lipid metabolism, liver protection, and immune functions. So the problem statement here: durian husks are thrown away, burned, and it create environmental issues. And it's approximately that 3,800 metric tons of durian fruits are being produced, with 60% of it are husks that are being considered as waste. So the oxidative stress is a key factor for health consequences, and these free radicals disrupt the normal homeostasis of cells, and the antioxidant properties combat this free radical through molecular inhibitions and decrease the radicals to maintain normal free disorder homeostasis. So these are the methodologies. So we conducted qualitative analysis, performed the extraction, optimized it, and conducted a preliminary phytochemical screening, as well performed the quantitative analysis. Next, we conducted the therapeutic potentials, which is the antioxidant and the antibacterial assay, and confirmed the presence of the compound through chemical profiling, which is by using the FTR. So these are the method used. So the result and discussion, so the microscopic analysis showed that there are no significant contaminations. There are no animal stools spider web. So this conclude that the pre-harvesting is immaculate and cleanly done. For the quality control analysis, there are the total ash content, total acid absorbed ash, and the total moisture contents. The ash value was found to be a bit higher. It should be less than 40%. However, we counteract, we troubleshoot it with repeatedly cleaning the raw material and to reduce the contaminants. And then following that, we conducted the total acid insoluble ash. We found that the value is less than 2%, which is acceptable since the acid insoluble ash are more stricter in terms of determining the ash and determining the cleanness of the raw materials. The total moisture content, on the other hand, show the value less than 10%, which is the 5.89%. And this showed that our raw material is in good condition, immaculate, and can be produced, can be proceed with further pharmaceutical, cosmetical, or nutraceutical testing. So next, we conducted the optimization of UIE using the response surface methodology. So there are two types of solvent being used, which is the methanol and the ethanol. For the optimization of UIE using ethanol as solvents, the maximum yield was found to be 17.30%, the optimum yields, and the optimum time was 30 minutes, with temperature set at 52 degrees and solvent to water ratios 12% ethanol to 88% water. For the optimization of UAE, the maximum yield was 28.44%, the time was 50 minutes, and the temperature was 56 degrees Celsius, and the solvent to water ratio was 0.1% methanol to 99.9% water. Next, we move to the preliminary phytochemical testing, and for all of the color tests being conducted, both optimal extracts show the presence of protein, flavonoid, phenols, as well as saponin. For the total flavonoid content, the highest yield was found to be for the optimized methanol water extracts with 58.5 microgram per grams, and the optimized ethanol water extracts was 54.6 microgram per gram. Phenolic content, the highest yield of phenolic was found to be in the optimized methanol water extracts. The value was 105.5 microgram per grams, And for the optimized methanol water extracts, the value was 57.9 microgram per gram of total phenolic content. For the total protein method, we use the Kajaga methods. The highest was in the optimized methanol water extracts. That resulted in 31.9%, 90%, and the optimized ethanol extract was 28.07%. The Fourier transform infrared, the FTIR spectroscopy, show the presence of the functional groups that indicate the presence of flavonoid compound and the flavonoid backbones, just confirming that the Durian Husk contain polyphenols and flavonoid especially. So these are the same. This is the spectrum for the optimized water extracts. The functional group for both optimized methanol water extracts, the optimized methanol water extracts. So for the antioxidant activity, we conducted using the DPP scavenging assays. The positive control was ascorbic acids. For the extract, the highest inhibitions was found to be on the optimized methanol water, 0.99 milligram per mil. Next, we conducted the antibacterial bioassays. The bacteria was the E. coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and the Bacillus cereus. So this is the inhibitions figures and inhibition zones for the test samples for each bacteria. And the extract, the highest was found to be in the optimized ethanol waters for E. coli and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and the Bacillus cereus, the highest was in the optimized water, methanol water. The positive control of the ceprofloxacins, the positive control was Dettol. So overall, our results show higher inhibitions compared to the known uh, antiseptic, which is the Dettols, but lower than the drugs that are being used for treatment of microbes, which is the ciprofloxacins, Ciprobe. So for the conclusions, based on this study, we created an optimized Durio zebenthus or durian husk extract rich with polyphenols and act as natural antioxidant and antimicrobial agents. For the commercialization purposes, the plant durian is useful for healing and maintaining health since it contains unique active ingredients, and the pharmacological and cosmeceutical potential of durian husk make it a viable candidate for commercializations as medicinal agents. And lastly, in terms of the sustainability, converting waste to wealth products, it can be applied for durian husk. So the references for the studies and the LOI with industries. So thank you very much for listening.